Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best disposable coffee cups is probably one of the most essential items for any coffee lover on the go, offering unparalleled convenience and a way to enjoy your favorite brew wherever life takes you. But with so many options flooding the market, choosing the right one can feel like a daunting task, especially when you consider the environmental impact and the practicalities of daily use, making it crucial to find a cup that balances your needs with sustainability and performance. Number 5. Dixie To-Go Insulated Paper Coffee Cups with Lids, 12 ounces. Introducing our newly designed disposable cups, perfect for your daily routine. While the look is fresh, the quality you love remains the same. Enjoy a comfortable and secure hold with our advanced insulation technology. It keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature and prevents messy spills. Feel good about your choice with cups made from 80% plant-based materials. They are a responsible option, free from polystyrene foam. Designed to fit most single-serve coffee makers and car cup holders. They are perfect for streamlining your busy mornings. This generous pack includes 156 cups and lids, ensuring you have plenty for home, the office, or any event. It's the convenient solution for your beverage needs. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort and a secure grip with our insulated design. These cups are made from plant-based materials, making them a sustainable choice. If you're always on the move and need a reliable cup that keeps your hands comfortable and prevents spills, this is the perfect option for your daily commute or busy mornings. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. They hold hot beverages well without getting too hot to hold. The lids fit securely, preventing spills. Number 4. Gusto 16-ounce white paper cups, 100 count. Choose a more sustainable option for your daily beverages. These cups are made from biodegradable, food-safe paper, perfect for offices, events, or home use. Enjoy your hot coffee, tea, or cocoa without worry. They are crafted to handle hot drinks, staying sturdy and comfortable to hold. The reinforced rolled rim adds extra strength and helps prevent leaks. It also ensures a smooth sipping experience and is compatible with standard lids. Their classic white finish fits seamlessly into any setting. Keep your beverage service simple, neat, and professional, whether at a coffee bar or a party. This pack includes 100 disposable cups, ensuring you're always prepared. They are ideal for busy mornings, meetings, events, or daily drink service. What we like? Enjoy a more sustainable option for your hot or cold drinks. The strong rolled rim ensures a leak-proof experience and comfortable sipping. If you're looking for a classic, no-fuss cup for your office, events, or home that is kind to the environment, this is an excellent choice for everyday use. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. They hold hot beverages well without getting too hot to hold. The lids fit securely, preventing spills. Number 3. Fit Meal Prep 50-pack 16 ounces disposable coffee cups. Never worry about spills again. This set includes cups, lids, and sleeves, all made from durable, recyclable paper. They keep your drink warm while protecting your hands. Enjoy your favorite hot or cold beverages with confidence. These cups are food-safe, BPA-free, and PFAS-free, ensuring a dependable choice for you and your family. Experience a spill-free journey with our secure lids that lock in temperature. The rolled rim ensures smooth sipping, and the insulated sleeve keeps your hands comfortable. Designed for your busy life, these cups are perfect for commutes and quick grab-and-go moments. They are available in multiple sizes to fit any beverage. Their classic white design is perfect for customization or branding. This neutral look fits any setting, from professional meetings to casual get-togethers. What we like? Get a complete, leak-free experience with included lids and sleeves for ultimate comfort. These cups are food-safe, BPA-free, and PFAS-free, ensuring your health. If you prioritize a secure, spill-free commute and want a dependable cup that keeps your beverage warm and your hands protected, this set is ideal for busy lifestyles. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. They hold hot beverages well without getting too hot to hold. The lids fit securely, preventing spills. Number 2. Dixie PerfecTouch 12 ounces. Insulated paper hot coffee cup. Experience the ultimate in hot beverage enjoyment with our new insulated paper cups. Designed for comfort and convenience, they're perfect for your daily coffee ritual. Say goodbye to the hassle and expensive double cupping. These cups provide a comfortable, sturdy, and non-slip feel, eliminating the need for sleeves. Make a sustainable choice with our cups, made from approximately 80% compostable cellulose fiber. They use 25% less material than traditional cups and sleeves. Enjoy your hot drinks at the perfect temperature for longer. The innovative design ensures a comfortable grip without compromising on insulation. These cups are designed for your everyday needs. They offer a secure and comfortable grip, making them ideal for busy mornings or relaxing moments. Complete your beverage experience by pairing these cups with our specially designed lids, available separately. Ensure a spill-free and enjoyable drink on the go. What we like. Benefit from a comfortable, sturdy, non-slip feel that eliminates the need for extra sleeves or double cupping. These cups use less material while providing superior insulation. If you appreciate a premium feel, reduced waste, and a comfortable drinking experience without the hassle of extra accessories, this is the cup for you. What people say. The cups are sturdy and don't leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. They are perfect for hot or cold beverages. Number 1. Blue Panda 16-ounce Pastel Floral Paper Coffee Cups. Elevate your events with our beautifully designed paper coffee cups. They are perfect for serving both hot and cold drinks with a touch of style. Adorned with delightful floral patterns and soft pastel colors, these cups bring a refreshing touch of nature to every sip you take. Ideal for any occasion, from parties to office get-togethers. Their generous 16-ounce size makes them perfect for coffee, tea, or soft drinks. These cups offer ample space for your favorite beverages, with a 16-ounce capacity perfect for a substantial serving. Each package comes with 48 cups and lids, ensuring you have plenty for any event. They offer both convenience and aesthetic appeal for your to-go needs. What we like. Add a touch of elegance to your beverages with charming floral designs and pastel hues. These cups are perfect for serving a variety of hot and cold drinks with style. If you're hosting an event or simply want to make your daily coffee more enjoyable, these aesthetically pleasing cups with lids will enhance any occasion. What people say. The cups are sturdy and do not leak. The lids fit snugly and prevent spills. The insulation keeps drinks hot for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.